it's all the same, this is that creep up in my coffin. All that what I do, no talking. Can't you see the reaper, he go crazy, he go dumb. I'm gonna let my chopper drown.
Hi guys, in this YouTube video I will teach you how to set up and configure OpenBSD system daemons. A daemon is a process that runs in the background without control of the user, without direct control. Usually, it is common to have the name that ends with D. You can set up the daemons in the directory etclc.conf equals no, it means they are disabled, equals these symbols, it means they are enabled. It is it is recommended to not edit those lines directly but use the rcctl utility. This will work the same as systemctl on Linux and LC enable on OpenLC Linux distribution. To enable the daemon, LCCTL enable service. To disable the daemon, LCCTL disable service. To start immediately the daemon, LCCTL start daemon. To stop immediately the daemon, LCCTL stop daemon. If you want to know more example on how to use the lcctl command, type in your terminal man lcctl. Man is the manual that is integrated in Unix with every basic Unix application. See you later, guys.